Hello there, it's not morning. It's a beautiful day outside. I'm now in the city of Palenque, which is a bit more inland in central Mexico. We're starting a little hike through the jungle to go and find local ruins. It should be sweet. Everyone's having a great day. Let's enjoy today's adventure. Yeah, walking through the jungle. It's cool. Very different than hiking in Canada. First little hike I've done in a very long time. And it didn't take long to find some falling water. My goodness, everything is so green. And we found a suspension bridge. And next to that suspension bridge is a waterfall. It's looking beautiful. We come to our first set of ruins. Pretty cool. And yeah, pretty cool set of ruins. This is at least the first set. Really interesting. Called the Grupo de Murcielago. At the Lamborghini? I don't know. Yeah. Over this little channel. It's cool. Onwards through the jungle we go. We get to some even more ruins. Awesome scenery. To climb up the steps. They are pretty steep. Oh my god. Awesome. Yeah, pretty neat set of ruins. Something a bit different. Pretty. And it's green. Nice. And it didn't take us long to find another waterfall. It's heckin' pretty. We'll come out into an open space called the plaza with some trees around and some Mayan ruins. Oh my. Looks pretty cool. And you have another cool temple people have actually climbed to the top of. I believe you can, but I don't fancy it. Neat though. Let's go see what's over here. As you come through the trees, you break out and find this incredible scene. Wide open ruins. It's wild. We're heading up a staircase. Find some more ruins. Should be interesting. I suppose we'll see what we find. And it comes out to some more ruins. Not too busy, there's a few people around, but it's a nice spot. I'll go climb that one in a second. Beautiful. Interesting ruins. And so, part way through this climb, and it's steep, but nothing crazy. Hopefully this view from the top is insane. I talked to a local guide and he said you can see up to 10 kilometers away from the top, so I guess not much of a view on video walking up steps. We'll see at the top. And yeah, we got to the top and there is, as promised, pretty sweet view. A little bit hazy in the distance, but it goes on for a while. Nice. There's a fence in the way, but you can have a little sneak peek inside the temple. Some inscriptions on the wall there. It's pretty neat. And while I'm getting educated, see a lizard. Just chilling. Cute little guy while we learn about this temple. Pretty neat. Yeah, pretty neat set of ruins. Awesome spot. And then over here, better view of the palace. Or El Palacio. Pretty sweet. Last bit of temple action. And following the yellow brick road. Or is it not so yellow? But wow, very interesting set of ruins. With the yellow brick road led us back to the entrance, the car park as it were. We've now found an entrance into the jungle, so I'm going to take a look, see what's there. Maybe something, maybe nothing. Guess we'll find out. Yeah, in the jungle, walking through the trees. It's interesting. I wonder where the path leads. And we get through the jungle to find a ruin. My goodness, just here. Pretty wild. In a wild location. Pretty sick. Yeah, pretty cool. Just listen to the sounds of the jungle. You're not allowed to adventure inside the temple, but it's still pretty cool. Interesting place to find on the bucket list. Temple in the middle of a jungle. Yeah, pretty sick spot. Just in the middle of nowhere. And on the way back we find a little waterfall. Cascada Bascan. Pretty sweet. Gotta hurry because it's gonna rain soon. It's the next day. Still in the Palenque area, but we just sat on a colectivo for about an hour to get to the Roberto Barrio Waterfall area. It's beautiful. We'll take a look. Enjoy the rest of today's adventure. The water is a beautiful color. We've already found some little waterfalls. My goodness. Can't wait for the bigger one. Yep, it's a heckin' beautiful spot. My goodness. So many levels of waterfalls. That's wild. And we get to the top of the waterfall and oh my goodness. It's heckin' beautiful. Awesome. And we get down to the bottom and oh wow. It's heckin' beautiful. Standing at the top of the second waterfall. Pools down there are blue. It's a heckin' pretty view. My goodness. And yet another set of waterfalls. They're all ever so pretty. So nice. It's not even that busy today. It's beautiful. And it's another pretty waterfall. Oh my goodness. This one's a bigger one. So nice. And so we come to the end of another awesome adventure. Yeah, so 2 days in Palenque, visiting the ruins, little few waterfalls over there, and then today seeing the Roberto Barrio waterfalls. Incredible amount of waterfalls in such a small space, totally worth a visit. It's awesome. But yeah, we're going to be continuing the adventure onto San Cristobal soon, so we'll see how that goes. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, consider subscribing as I will be producing more videos as the adventures continue. Until the next one, hope everyone enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you on the next adventure.